Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn this back on without reinstalling your Windows in your PC. So how to do this? Let's get started. First open the start menu and then type regedit. Then navigate to this path and then here you'll find verified and reputable policy state. Just double click on it and then the value would be set to 0. Just remove that and set it to 1. Click OK and then go over to your smart control app again. Just refresh it or close your settings and open again, and then hopefully your problem solves, and as you can see it is turned back on. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.